Okay, so I got the heads cleaned. I got the exhaust manifolds cleaned up. They're not clean, but they're clean enough that I can store them now until I need them. Uh, got the timing chain cover cleaned up. That one next to it, that's for the oil filter drain in case you get a leak there or something. I don't know. Let it drain out. Valve covers, oil pickup tube, and the piece that goes between the engine and the transmission on the bottom, and a cross brace along with the uh, what is that? The housing for the thermostat housing. But it's all cleaned up, ready to store. Uh, Once I get a couple of tools, take the valve springs out and tear the heads down and have parts checked, see if the heads are good, make sure they're good, get them ground down if they are. Then that'll be done and out of the way. I'll have to tear it down the rest of the way. Uh, Same thing goes with tearing the timing chain cover down, get it cleaned up properly, and new inserts put in, and all that good stuff. Uh, I'll probably clean up all the rust on the exhaust manifolds and repaint them. So that's what I've got right now. I've still got the oil pan over there in the bucket along with the oil fill portion to take care of. Get all the bolts sorted through again and make sure I get them all labeled. They're already sorted. I just got to label everything, make sure all of them are there. With the exception of the exhaust, I'm going to buy new ones on that. And of course, the head bolts, those will be new. Possibly get new bolts for the cams too. Not sure, but definitely have to get seals and lifters. So that will be done. Everything will get done eventually. So far, somebody was nice enough to pour a bunch of cleaning solution in the gas tank for some reason. So I'm using the heck out of that. Cleans pretty good. Gets the gunk off. So yeah, that's where I'm at on that. Once I get all the parts sorted into groups and labeled and taken care of, I'll use Ziplocs and cans and whatever else I can find. Of course, some treatment put on the heads, bolts, and threads, and make sure that they don't rust. And I'll be good to go on that. So, yeah, the oil pan needs one more cleaning before it's clean enough to store. It's pretty nasty. There's metal all inside of it. But if I clean all these parts, the parts that come off the other truck aren't going to have to be cleaned up. If I work these over, I won't have to work them over, and so on. The only thing that'll have to be done will be the block off the other truck, and then I can get it built. But that's where I'm at. I don't want to have to spend any more money than I have to, because I'm going to have to put brakes on it, and brake lines, and bearings, and whatever else is going to be needed. Everything cleaned up, painted up, fixed up. So yeah, try to keep away from spending money if I can. Don't want to buy new parts if the old parts are good. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at now.